it's Liz Yule from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today is another Top Tip Tuesday day, and I am sharing one of my top tips for if you are a new stamper. And frankly, there is only one thing to do if you're new to stamping, in my opinion, and that is go for one of our all-inclusive kits. They are on page 59 of the Spring Summer Mini Catalogue, but there's also 3 of them on page 202 and 203 of the main catalogue. They vary in price from £25 for the Looking Up card kit and the 3 Cheers for You card kit to £33 for Notes of Kindness and Lots of Happy. So let me show you one of the kits. This is the 3 Cheers for You card kit. I haven't unpacked it yet, so we're going to unpack it together. So the first thing we get is a set of instructions, and it's in all 4 of our languages, so English, French, German and Japanese. I say all 4 of our languages, it's not in Dutch. We do have Dutch demonstrators, so it's in 4 of our 5 languages, I guess. So it tells us what our kit includes, so let us make sure it does. So, first things first, we've got a set of 5 photopolymer stamps, and they're here. So we've got Thank You, My Heart Can't Stop Smiling, Hooray for the Tiny Miracle, for Tiny Miracles, 3 Cheers for You, Birthday Wishes All Round, and then a border. We also get a stamping spot, and in this case it's Night of Navy. So we can remove quite a lot of the packaging now. And I think the only thing I need to bring out now is the little box that it all comes in. So this is a little gift box. So what you can do is you can make up all the cards and then put them in the box and give them as a gift. So I'll pop the lid to one side. So we've also got linen thread. We've got copper adhesive back sequins, a sheet of dimensionals, and then everything else is shrink wrapped in this parcel here. So let's get a pair of snips and have a look. Now the only thing you do need to have is, I say you have to, you don't, because there is adhesive in here. You may wish to add some additional adhesive, but only because we've only got dimensionals and sticky dots. We have got a little block, and it's got the Stampin' Up logo on it, so that's lovely, and it fits all of the stamps that we need. It is roughly the same size as a D block, so it's a really good size to be starting with. It's not the ergonomic shape that our normal blocks are, but it's a good one to start with. So what have we got here? We have got cards. So we've got 3 cards in each of 4 designs. They are printed. They've got colour on the back and the front, by all accounts, indeed. Yeah. The insides will be white. Even on the Night of Navy, the inside will be white. So easy for writing on. So 4 designs of cards, 3 of each. We've got envelopes, which are printed on the inside. So let's see if we've got more than one design of envelope. We have. So we've got sort of dashes. Got 3 of those. 4, I would say we've got 6. Yep, 6 of those. And therefore I would suggest we've probably got 6 of these. So these are our 2 patterns for our envelopes. And obviously you can mix and match those. Then we've got die cuts. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of these die cuts, and they're all attached with little pips so that they won't fall out unless you need them. Then we've got 1, 2, 3 sheets of the craft die cuts. And make that 4 sheets of the craft die cuts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of these. So we've got labels and tags. These are tags because they've got little holes. And then more labels and more. So lots of those. And then we've got adhesive dots, and they're a reasonable sized dot, but you may want to add something like snail or a liquid adhesive to that. All of the instructions are in the instructions. That's not good English. And it's really visual. So for this card, you need, let me grab what I need. I need one of the card bases. I need one of these die cuts and 2 of the blue flowers. Now these are all the same. So now I always pull my die cuts up, because then if anything rips it's going to be this. But these are all the same, and then this is the same just in a different colour. The colours, there's a question. The colours are Night of Navy, Seaside Spray, Terracotta Tile, Copper, Craft and White. So we've got our two embellishments, and then we just need the stamping, the linen thread and the copper. So it's the same for all of them. You just work your way through. Now obviously if you want to go off-piste and do your own thing, you can, but if you're a new crafter, I think this is a really good way to get started. I'm going to have to cough. Excuse me, because everything you need is in the box. So it's everything, and it's only £25. So if you've got someone you know who you think would like to craft, this is a great way to get them started. I'm going to cough again. I do apologise. I'm still at the tail end of this chest infection, and talking does aggravate it a bit. Anyway, so this would be my suggestion for a new crafter, is any one of our all-inclusive kits. Do be aware that we do have project kits as well, and they are not all-inclusive. They're great, but they're not all-inclusive. So for this one, it's £28, but doesn't include the stamp set and doesn't include the adhesive or the inks. So just be aware that this is a different option. This is great for what I would call the next stage, because again, it will give you the instructions, and everything you need will be in the box for the actual products. Then you add the stamp set, add the inks and the adhesive, but the instructions will be in the box. So it's a good next step. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If you found that helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Do remember that during Sale-a-bration, if you wanted to introduce someone to crafting by giving them one of these kits, all you need to make sure is that you include in your order up to £45 of value if you're in the UK, and then you can choose a free Sale-a-bration item, so you can add in some extra adhesive, maybe some more ink, an ergonomic block, that sort of thing, and bring the value up to £45, or indeed just buy things that you need. So that would be my suggestion anyway. Don't miss out on Sale-a-bration, and do remember that if your order is under £150, if you use the host code, you get a free card and gift anyway from me, whatever the size your order and whether you use the host code or not. And you also, if you use the host code, you get a product gift from me as well at the beginning of the following month. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye!